Regina Daniels, you make one big mistake, and I go advise you for this video. If there's anybody for this life, we happy pass for Regina Daniels, na me. You know why? Because nobody they address this young lady as Ned Nwoko wife. Rather, they address the man as Regina Daniels' husband. That's a big win for you, na big win for that girl. Normally, if person marry, as the girl don't marry, so Regina Daniels, Daniel na papa name, supposed to be Regina Ned Nwoko. But today, they see the address her as Regina Daniels. Ned Nwoko as Regina Daniels' husband. That's a big win for that. That's what they say. She get her own life, her own name outside the marriage. Now, even if the marriage work or not work, she still be who she be. You don't understand all these things. Now, wait till they preach for every young lady for Nigeria where they not really understand. Now you pray to get married to a rich man. What if the rich man is gone? It don't come up from the picture. Who are you as a person? The only mistake where Regina Daniels make now, this house where she go buy. Me and you know within ourselves say you not buy that house because you need a place to live. You buy that house because you want to prove a point. And making financial decisions from a place of emotions and sentiment because what people go talk, that's in a financial mistake. You made a very huge mistake for that place. If you know Regina Daniels, tag her to this video. They say that I know is the last comment of a fool. If to say I know before, I for listen to Geh Geh advice. Now financial expert I be. Nigerians feel they applaud you. Oh, this girl you good. All those wanna hype me. And they give my advice from a place of what? Beyond emotions and sentiment. And then my advice they come from. This house where you buy, you don't need it. If you and the man get issue, the right you're supposed to do at this point, and to go back to your mama's house, go and live there for some time. Plan yourself when emotions don't they stable. Now that time you go know say you they do the right thing. Not be now when Nigerians you got to make decisions from a place of waiting they go to me they know say we balance for this side. Make her tear the house. Nigerians they quick move on. You'll be like this Lord phone and a very dark man issue now. It don't be something of the past and you know they talk now. In a week time, now nobody will talk about this issue again. So you make decisions, financial decisions of that huge amount because of what people go talk. It not really work like that. My advice to you as a financial expert: sell that house. Thank God, so you don't get your own career, your own thing where they work for you. Invest in your career. You can produce a new movie. They buy the house from the profit of what you are doing. But for now, that house is not really getting anything to serve for you. Sell the house, focus on charity, and focus on your career. And in 6 months' time, come back and tell me thank you. Now, financial expert I be. Any girl will not work, you go cry. Many of them they want to give excuse or comment section say, now money where she saved from Ned Nwoko. When I feel say rich people not wise be, she not save any money from Ned Nwoko. That girl is somebody of her own before. You feel say a man of Ned Nwoko level will get that money, go you allow any young girl come into his life without anything where the girl get to offer. It not work. The man don't say he get money. And if any lady, any woman is coming, the first way the man they think now. What did this person they call contribute? It not be more person. What did this person they call contribute? The attention. The girl get the attention of the public, attention of the media. That's a huge. That's in a mineral resources. Upon the kind of money when I get for the state, a prominent man in Delta State. I don't know Ned before. Say he's not one of the big name for the state. I don't know before until when he married Regina. That attention as a politician, the man need them too. It's a win-win. So you want poor girl, you find already made man, you find Geh Geh where you want marry. Come see me for here. When you not get what you feel contribute, come see me here now. There's a new meeting going on in town now. Now let few of us we get money, we they plan this meeting now. If you don't have money as a young lady where they come up, you don't have a space in our life. Because the first thing is that I get all this money, I get all this many things, I get material things around me. What are you coming to contribute? If you don't have anything to contribute, or on your own. Now your meeting for your now a circle of the rich. Now there now we dey plan them now. As make I tell you now, so you go plan yourself. You know, so Regina Daniels, God bless you. Take my advice, then see the result. God bless you.
And remember, like and subscribe. Smash that button now.